Hello, welcome to Mobilant. The product I'm going to introduce this time is a great product for bicycle washing. What you're seeing right now is actually not a car wash product. It's a wireless paint gun. It's very handy for painting tasks. It also allows for efficient washing with minimal water and the help of air. Most of the time, one can is enough for washing. I usually finish with just one can. You can use the paint gun and a soft car brush for gentle washing, blowing away the dirt on the bike and removing it. Cleaning the sprockets and chain is also very easy. Now, you can either dispose of the remaining water or detach the water tank cup. From now on, you can use it like an air gun blower. Even without drying with a cloth, the remaining water droplets will easily fly away, making drying very easy. Now, all you need to do is wax the bicycle. Moreover, this product is wireless and compact, so it's very easy to use. Doesn't take up space in your vehicle and can be carried around. If necessary, painting is also possible. You can find the address of this product on the video bulletin board. This was Dr. Road from Mobilant. We also appreciate your interest in electric bicycle books or video production. Thank you for watching.